I wanted to put together a quick video to help you with typing math in a Word document. If you are not familiar with all of this extra stuff in Word, then it can be really frustrating to try and type out equations and formulas and things like that. So I wanted to make sure you had an idea of how to utilize the tools within Microsoft Word, especially as we move forward into our next few laps where we're dealing with radicals and exponents and all that good stuff. So how do I type math? You are going to use the formulas tool. And within the formulas tool, you'll be able to put in any symbols or type fractions, raise exponents, all that good stuff. So when you want to input anything that you don't see on the normal keyboard, you'll go up here to the toolbar, you'll hit insert, and you'll come over here to equation. Okay, and then you will fill your equation within this box. Anywhere outside of this box is just going to be your normal keyboard functions, but in this box you have a whole new set of goodies that you can use. So let's say I wanted to type the square root of 18 equals x to the third. Up here you've got a bunch of kind of preset tools. So I'm going to go to the radical tool and wait for my very slow computer to load. If your computer is faster, there we go. I'm going to choose the radical, and inside that little box, I'm going to type 18. Okay, and then equals, oops, what did I say? X to the third. So I'll come up here to the script function, and this will give you a bunch of different options. I'm going to raise this to the third. It will also fill in common subscripts and superscripts. You don't really have to worry about using those. This is usually the one that I go to. And in the boxes, I'll type X, and in the little box, I'll type the third. Okay, so now that gives me exactly what I said. The square root of 18 equals X to the third. I never would have been able to do that just using the normal keys. What if I wanted to say 1/3 x times square root of something? I'll come up here to the fraction button, and this first one, and this takes forever to load, but this first one is just my good old fraction, numerator and denominator. So I'll put, let's say 1/4 x. Actually, instead of equals, let's come up here to these commonly used operators. I'm going to do greater than or equal to, and then I'm going to put in another radical, but within that radical, I'm going to put some craziness. X times y squared. Okay? So as long as you can remember to hit insert and equation, you have all of these tools at your disposal. The ones that you will use most commonly in this class will be fraction, script, and radical. Don't worry about integral, don't worry about large operators, even brackets. If you need to type out absolute value, that will be found in the bracket key, but that's really the only thing that you guys need to worry about within this tab. Other than that, and there's your absolute value right there. Let's see, say the absolute value of -r. So those are really the ones that you'll go for the most. That is really going to help you when you have to type out any of these equations or answers, or even in your notes. I see a lot of you guys leaving the example problems blank in your notes. Don't do that. You have the tools to be able to type in what you need to type in, so utilize them. Other than that, if you have any questions, let me know, and good luck.